Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing the follow-up questions for the cue card. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a beautiful city. So the first question is, what are the differences between modern towns and modern cities? In my opinion, there are considerable distinctions between modern town and modern cities. So instead of repeating the same word differences in the question, we have used a synonym which is distinctions. Modern cities have higher population size, better infrastructure, and more economic opportunities. So, economic opportunities is a better way of saying more jobs. So, we used a better vocabulary word which will increase our band scores for a lexical resources part later on. Whereas modern towns are less crowded, contain an above average amenities with few economic powerhouses. We also used a connector here to give a comparison or a contrast when we move to modern towns, and the connector was whereas. So this will increase our band scores for our coherence and cohesion part later on. Also, I have posted a lot of videos about other cue cards which are coming up in the exams, or they were like asked to some of my students. So you can also check those out. Alright, the next question is, how can people preserve historical buildings? According to me, preservation of historical edifices includes community involvement, NGOs, and legislative measures to ensure the safeguarding of architectural heritage, thereby fostering a collective responsibility towards the past. So, historical edifices means a different way of saying historical buildings. Necessitates mean that it is compulsory or it is important, imperative. Legislative means legal. Safeguarding means to preserve or to protect. So we are using synonyms and not repeating the words that were already given in the question. Architectural heritage again is a way of saying historical buildings and monuments. Fostering means to promote or to encourage. Alright. So it is actually a good idea to write down the meanings of words as I am saying so that you do not forget it later on. And using these words will actually improve your band scores in speaking from a band 5 or a band 6 to band 8 or band 9 very easily. Also, this reminds me that we are also posting videos on our channel about recent IELTS task 2 writing topics that are coming up in the exams. So you can check out those videos. Literally, all the points that you can use for an essay like agree, disagree, or advantage, disadvantage, whatever topic is coming in the exam are discussed really thoroughly in the video, giving you like a band 9 answer template. Alright, so the third question is, why do some people like to visit historical places? Well, the allure of historical locales for some individuals stems from their desire to connect with bygone eras. So, allure means the attraction. Historical locales again means places. Stems from means comes from. Bygone eras means past or something that has already happened, and cultivate a deeper understanding of their nation's history and traditions. So, obviously, one of the reasons why people want to visit historical places is to know more about their history and culture and traditions. So, that's what we are telling here, but we are saying it in a better way. We are using some better vocabulary words here so that we can increase our band scores. Alright, so the fourth question is, why do people go to modern cities? The migration towards modern cities is often fueled by economic opportunities, cultural vibrancy, and technological advancements, prompting individuals to seek the dynamic urban landscapes that epitomize contemporary living. Fueled means is often due to or because of. Prompting means forcing individuals. Epitomize means they set an example for. To epitomize means to exemplify. The fifth question is, what are the problems caused in maintaining historical cities? The challenges inherent in the maintenance of historical cities encompass issues such as urban sprawl, infrastructure decay, and balancing the demands of modern functionality with the imperative to preserve architectural authenticity. So problems, instead of using the same word that was in the question, we use a synonym which is challenges. Inherent means embedded. Encompass means includes. So we are using better vocabulary words instead of using common words. Urban sprawl means urban spread, or in layman terms it means dense population. And imperative means something that is bound to happen. Authenticity means originality. Like for example, like for branded t-shirts like Adidas or Nike, you get those branded t-shirts which are authentic only from their actual store. But if you go to any street shop or any kind of street market, you will not get that originality or authenticity. You will still get the brand name that is printed on any kind of t-shirt, but it will not be authentic or original. So that's what authenticity means. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.